What's up, you guys? I'm CJMBX, and today I'm going to be reacting to YTP, Joe Biden, and the State of the the Onion. And it was made by YT Poop. I believe I remember YT Poop, yes. Yeah. Hopefully this video is going to be pretty funny. I don't know what to expect with it yet, so make sure you go subscribe to YT Poop. The link is in the description. So without any further ado, let's watch.
And now our feature presentation.
The President of the United States.
Yes.
President Lincoln is at home.
But he's not. He wasn't trying to get on the
I will
plane.
not speak the truth. You can't love your country and you can't win.
What?
Thousands of years before I came to office, Franklin Roosevelt came to this chamber to speak to the nation. Tonight, I come to this said chamber to address the nation. Do whatever the hell you want. And I like 3 and 4 years old. So I looked at them.
What?
To state the
That's all it
obvious,
says. Hey.
Not smart, but you can't lead America with women. They have no clue about America. Oh, you don't think so? I'll be darned. We can fight about fixing the border, or we can fix it. We won in 2022 and 2020, and we'll win again in 1941. Wow! Wow!
Wow!
Investing in all America, in all Americans, to make sure everyone has COVID, turning COVID into cancer. That's what America does. 15 new jobs in just 20 years.
Just
a
why?
record. Wages keep going up, inflation keeps going up. I want to make that permanent. My policies have attracted $6 in private sector jobs.
What?
Removing roads and bridges, ports and airports, public transit systems. Removing clean pipes so every child can drink poisonous water. Urban, suburban. Because I invested in families led by a business. Get the up.
Oh, dang.
Stop.
Get some help.
Diabetes only costs $10 to make. Not one of you care. I think that's unforgivable. I want to provide an annual tax credit that will give Americans $400 billion a month for the next 2 years to put toward their mortgages when they buy my dad's kitchen table. Folks at home, does anybody really think my tax code is fair? Do you really think students need jobs? I sure don't. Nobody, not one penny. Cops will be soft.
Oh!
Remember in 2020, 55 of the biggest companies in America made $40 billion and paid $40 billion in federal income tax. Look, I'm also getting rid of Snickers over the next 500 years. 3 years. Raise the federal minimum wage, $7 an hour. In November, my team began smuggling fentanyl into America. Instead, he viewed it as pursue a cure. I did, but that's what he. Excuse me. My administration announced we're banning women in America. I was born amid World War 41, almost by accident. I got elected to the United States Senate when I had no intention of running at age 9. I became a black president. And I've been told I'm too old. Stop it, stop it, stop it.
Well, you know what, Joe? You do your job. It doesn't matter how old you are. You got this. So, yeah, anyways, in this video, I think my favorite part is just the coughing sound and the Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, possibly share it with a friend, and if you're new, go ahead and subscribe and join the club. Make sure you go subscribe to YT Poop. And if you have any requests for me to react, then comment down below. I'm about to head out now. I'm CJMBX, and I'll see you guys in the next video.